I'm gonna show you how to create circle text in Illustrator. You can see I've got this badge logo design. Now, you can see I've got all this text wrapped around the badge. Now, what you need to do to create this is I'm gonna press L for the ellipse tool, hold Shift and Alt to keep the proportions, let go, and I'm just gonna make a black stroke just like this. Now, what I like to do is press Control C, Control F on that stroke, and I'm gonna scale it down just like this. Now, what you wanna do is go to the type tool on the left-hand side, click on type on a path. Now, when I click on this path now, it should pop up with some text, and now I can type on it. I'm just gonna make the text bigger by using Control Shift and the full stop button. And now what I'm gonna do is type in, I'm going to change the text, and I'm gonna make this heaps big, just like this. And to move it around, you just drag these lines. One is to center it, and the other one is the left aligned. So you wanna make sure you move the right line so you can see here at the start of the text. And so what I do from here to make it very fast, all you gotta do is just copy and paste the same text, and then you just scale it in like this, and you can type whatever you want. United in Craft. I can change the font. Let's go with, TT Norms or something. We'll make it light, make it a bit smaller, and bump the tracking. And that's basically it. And then you can, make another duplicate. I can rotate from the corner, and I can do something like this. Established 1996. And then I can start to play around with colors. And drag it like so. And then maybe I want to add some shapes. I'm just going to add a quick star here. Feels like the Wild Wild West a little bit. And there you have it. I'm just going to grab the icon here. Like this. And I'm just going to copy paste this one, scale that in like that. And there we have it. We've created our circle text in a little badge shape. And that's how you create text in a circle form. Super easy and simple. If you want more tutorials just like this, click on the video on the screen to check out some more.